I knew it was gonna be busy this weekend out. If you're going shopping, good luck. Oh my gosh. I'm just in a shopping center and I'm just like waiting to turn. It's crazy. And especially right now where there's lots of older people too. So you're fighting with cars, you're fighting with pedestrians. Oh gosh. I'm getting ready to curl my hair to go to a couple of parties today. Kind of sucks because my husband is not feeling good. I'm hoping that he feels better. But yeah, my hair is freshly washed because I dyed my roots today. I don't know if you could see, my hair is thinning, and I am going to curl it. The only bad thing is that sometimes I don't like curling it when it's freshly washed because it already has like volume in it, and hopefully the curls will stay. But I was watching this TikToker. I was watching how she curls her hair, and it's pretty cool. So she goes like this, she goes around, waits how many ever seconds, goes down another, curls it, and then what she does is she'll go like this, like that, and then to give it the kind of relaxed curl, she'll just curl a little fast, and then this kind of gives it that volume that people lag when you do your hair yourself. And so I'm trying to give myself some volume since my hair is so thin now. It used to be thick, and then I kind of switch curls. I'll go in one, out one. The end is kind of confusing, so I don't know. I try to do it, but it's kind of hard to figure out. So I will do my hair and let's see what it's gonna look like after this. And this is what my hair looks like. Super glamorous, I feel like. I will comb through it and make it a little more less curly. But this is what it looks like. So pretty. Alright, so now let's get my outfits and then get the kids. We're at our realtor's house. His birthday is today. And oh my gosh, so nice. Here's some Pac-Man. And this is the realtor. You're gonna be in my vlog. Happy birthday. Here's your gift. Make sure to like look in it because he wanted to do something funny. Well, not yet. Wow. Their kitchen is totally renewed. They got new light fixtures. Look at their tree. And then check out their fireplace. Oh my gosh. It's time to go. It's time to go, Hunter. Let's go. Gosh, he's This house used to be just different, completely different. They did a whole 360 on this house. They recently did their floors. They changed out their rails. And this is his new barn door for his pantry. That is so cool. Cool. This is so... Are you mad we had to leave? You want to play with the toys? Oh, you telling me to go away? Why did you put your hoodie on? Now your hair is messed up. All that time I took into doing your hair. Why you mess your hair up? We just left our real estate agent's home and now we're on our way to our other friend's event party with the upset little baby back there. He's so mad. But now we're getting gas.
Cause she didn't get none earlier.
Cause what?
So now she didn't get no gas earlier, so now we gotta get gas.
She put me on blast.
Or no, like she'll lose it or something will happen.
Someone will take it. Yeah. Oh, like a baby will get sick, or you have to touch it if you're admiring something.
The whole time for 15 months.
Oh.
So for me, toast.
Thank you. I got
Yes.
no words. That's enough. Thank y'all.
Toast, congratulations.
Thank you so much for coming, everybody.
Say bye, Bam Bam.
Say bye, poor baby.